And Ibraheem Dulmeer is a barrister and an expert on the law around park homes and holiday park developments. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Okay, well, let's get some legal advice and bring Ibraheem in on this. I mean, clearly it's been an incredibly stressful situation. I mean, is there protection out there for people like Matthew who are faced with this situation?
Very good morning to everyone. Thank you for having me on. Matthew, very sorry to hear what's happened. Of course, I can't start commenting exactly on what's happened in your particular situation. But what I can say is it's really important that people understand what their agreements are. In essence, what's happening is you've got an agreement whereby you have the right to station that caravan on that particular pitch. That agreement's governed by terms. Those terms outline your responsibilities and also the park operator's responsibilities. Where it's something that's quite difficult to understand, it's always prudent to get legal advice on those particular terms. For instance, how it works when it comes to the termination of those contracts.
Yeah, and I mean, so Ibraheem, would your advice be for anybody in a situation thinking of buying or renting a site on a caravan park, legal advice is essential before you do this?
Absolutely. With the increase of staycations and also the fact that you have to also take into account that the parkway or the park home lifestyle is extremely attractive, it's idyllic, and it's extremely peaceful. Of course, it's not so peaceful when you've got a situation where each side doesn't understand their obligations. There is a distinction that has to be drawn between what is a holiday home or a holiday caravan, for instance, such as a lodge, and a residential park home. The residential park homes have protections under the Mobile Homes Act Wales 2013, which I have to commend the Welsh Government for actually amalgamating all of the legislation in one act. Whereas if you're dealing with a holiday home, there are consumer rights that apply, there is contract law, etc. So it's really important that one seeks specialist advice from a lawyer like myself.
Ibraheem Dulmeer, who's a barrister and an expert on the law surrounding park homes.